Hi Sagittarius, this is Mystic Mage Status, and this is your reading for the month of September 1 to 15, 2025. So let's go ahead and take a look at your overall energy. Angels, what's the situation of the energy for Sagittarius, September 1 to 15, 2025? Okay. I think you are someone na iniisip yung future nyo. You are thinking very deep because of this Nine of Swords. Tingnan nyo, ang lalim niya. Ang lalim ng iniisip nyo, Sagittarius. Maybe sa inyong future, love life, studies, career, or business. If you have a business, maybe you are still waiting for that business na kumita or mag-progress. Tingnan nyo. Although may mga tubo siya, ito, finances. Siguro may kinikita ka pero you are not satisfied. Kung you are not satisfied, yun naman, nakikita ko. Although may income naman siya, pero hindi kayo satisfied sa nakikita niyo. I think you want more and you are thinking very deep kung ano yung dapat mong gawin para lumago yung maybe yung finances mo. Ganon. Or maybe if wala kang business sa career mo, diba? I think you have this job naman na very rewarding, but for you, it's not yet enough. Yun yung nababasa ko sa Seven of Pentacles. It's something na the problem is within your mindset. Ganun. Kasi madami na naman to eh. Sobrang dami na yun. But you are not yet happy. Hindi kayo satisfied. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Maybe sa inyong future or may mga problema kayong pinagdadaanan na kailangan ng financial assistance or yung mga bagay na gusto nyo bilhin or mga negosyo na gusto nyo simulan, mga bagong negosyo na gusto nyo simulan tapos hindi pa sapat yung kinikita nyo or hindi pa sapat yung ipon nyo. So you are thinking very deep, na-stress na kayo, kakaisip kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Ano naman? So, you do have here the Two of Wands, which pagpaplano, di ba? Makakorespond yan eh. Tingnan nyo. Plano, di ba? You are thinking very deep, kunwari sa business. Kung ano yung paraan para kumita kayo ng malaki. Kasi yung negosyo nyo is kumikita naman, pero hindi kayo satisfied sa kanyang kinikita. Kaya meron kayong plano. Tama ba? Yan yung nababasa ko. Ganyan. Kung sa business yan, di ba? Okay. So, meron kayong plano. Okay, makakaisip kayo at the end of September 15, just 2 weeks from now, maybe may idea kayo na makukuha. Maybe sa social media or sa inyong friends. Siguro sa inyong co-workmates kung ano yung dapat gawin para tumaas or lumago yung finances niyo. And let's clarify na lang kung meron akong tutulong sa inyo or kayo nga mismo yung makakaisip ng paraan. Tingnan natin. May tutulong ba kayo sa Sagittarius? Or siya lang makakaisip ng paraan? Plano. para mapalago ang kanyang finances. Oop, dalawang card. Yun. Wow. Kita mo yan. Meron kayong Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Cups. So, Ace of Pentacles, there's a new opportunity and increase of blessing, financial blessing. So, yun na. Yun ang naiisip niyo dito, kung kayo man yung makaisip or yung may tutulong sa inyo. Siguro, I feel na may tutulong sa inyo. Siguro nakukuha niyo siya sa social media kasi meron itong globe. Yung globe is international. Diba? Maybe sa kakapanood mo ng mga financial advices or mga etc. ganyan sa YouTube or Facebook, makakakuha kayo ng idea. And that idea is very rewarding because you have this Ace of Pentacles. Ito ay new opportunity, bagong simula na maghahatid sa inyo ng success. Laki ng success. Ace of Pentacles. And the Three of Cups. This is a celebration card. Celebration with your friends and family because of success. Sagittarius, nakukuha ba? Okay? Balikan natin, ha? Okay. September 1. This September, you may be thinking very deep because you are not satisfied with your finances. And then, makakaisip kayo ng idea. You or those people around you will help you para makakuha ng idea para mapalago yung kanyang finances. And that idea will lead you to success, to financial stability. And it is very rewarding because you are celebrating at the end of the week with your family, friends, colleagues, or kung sino man yung tumulong sa inyo. You are celebrating with that. Okay, Sagittarius, ang ganda na reading nyo. Okay, kukuha tayo ng healing energy, oracle card for your guidance. Angel, what's your guidance for Sagittarius this September 1 to 15, 2025? And another message. Ayun, okay. So first, you have the harmony. I open myself to the divine being within me. I am the image of God. Thus, I have the power to bring light into my life. I turn any darkness in me into something beautiful. In the absence of resentment, anger, or doubt, I find harmony. So, dito yan siya. Dito. Ayan. Nababasa na ba? So, ayan. May harmony kayo. Maybe after a week. Makakaisip na kayo ng paraan. Diba? Plano. And you have the forgiveness card from Angel. Holding on to a past hurt is preventing you from moving forward and achieving your heart's desire. Let it go. Forgiveness does not mean that you condone another's action. It simply means that you are no longer willing to be a perpetual victim to a particular person or event. Blame is a waste of your precious energy. Bless and surrender the past. For in doing so, you will reclaim the joy of life. So maybe, may nangyayari sa inyo this past month na maybe trinay-duro kayo, parang ganun, or binackstab kayo. Dito yan eh. Ayan o. Feeling ko sa past nyo ito. Kasi, dito na siya sa Nine of Swords, forgiving, for you're thinking very deep. So, maybe na-scam kayo, ganun, or may malaking pera na nawala sa inyo, kaya you are thinking very deep para mabalik itong finances. Parang ganun. But don't worry, at the end of the day, you have this plan or a new idea coming in para ma-reclaim yung kung ano yung nawala sa inyo. Okay? Sagittarius, that's your reading. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.